What's up, online shoppers? I'm just about to pop one of these amazing little tablets into my garburator so that I can freshen it up and help to get rid of all the buildup that's in there from all the food that it always chomps up and flushes out into the water system. So let's take a minute to look at how awesome this is. Now, I've been using these for a while now, and these come in a 1-year supply. I just got another brand new box, so it's time to open it up and get ready to pop it in my garburator. Now, this is a 1-year supply. So what that means is they give you 24 tablets, and these are an XL tablet. And the other thing that's cool about them is that they have a really nice smell. So when you're cleaning your garbage disposal or your garburator, sometimes you can actually get a really awful, nasty smell in your kitchen from food buildup that's lingering in the pipes. So this is a way to help get rid of that smell and freshen up your kitchen in the same time. Now here is the tablet. It's got a really nice citrus scent, and it's essential oils that bring that smell. So you know how powerful and fresh and just lovely that can be. So you've got like the yellow and the white tab, and when you drop this into your sink, it's gonna foam up and it's going to do the job of cutting down the grease and the buildup and helping to strip all the remaining lingering food things that are causing an odor issue in your sink area. Now, as I said, this is a 1-year supply because there's 24 of them, so they say that you could use these twice a month. Now, if you're in a high use area, like if you were using these in a restaurant, you might want to use them a little bit more frequently. But for just home residential use, just using once every 2 weeks is a good maintenance schedule to follow with these. The other thing you can do is if you maybe haven't done this before and you want to get started, you could actually do 2 tabs at once to just kind of like punch the cleaning power. Now, as far as what I do in order to do this, I'm gonna run a nice light stream of hot water through my sink area just to get the water flowing through and like loosen things up and more damp so that the soap and the foaming action can do its job. Then I'm going to take my tap and just kind of angle it off to the side, drop in the tablet, and allow hot water to flow on top of the tablet to really make sure that it gets a good soapy, thick foam going down in through the garburator and cleaning up all the buildup that's there. Now, if you have a really heavy buildup, again, they suggest you use 2 of these tablets. Now, don't freak out if once you turn on the garburator with that hot water in there, foam starts to come up through the opening of your sink. Just let the water keep running. Eventually, it's all gonna rinse down the drain, and all you'll be left with is a fresh smelling sink and garburator. And who doesn't want to have a fresh smelling sink and kitchen area? I certainly don't want to be in the stinky club. Now, this disposal cleaner does this, does this, does this, and it does that. How does it protect? Well, when you pop one of these little tabs in your garburator, it removes all the stuff that's built up on the sides. And if there's a lot of buildup, then the machinery inside the garburator has to work harder. So removing the buildup actually allows it to work more efficiently and helps to prolong the life of your garburator. So if you are looking for a really great option for your garburator or your food disposal, this is an option to consider. Great smell, works really well, 1-year supply, and definitely a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.